It's like one of those videos on Facebook where the dogs are all partying and jumping in. The dogs are jumping in the pool.
I love that. Wait, what do we need? We need to put them over there?
Look at.
We need to put the dogs over there?
No, I said it's like a Facebook show. The dogs are all pounding into the, they're cannonballing in the pool. Watch. It's not like the humans aren't even partying, it's the dogs. Whoa!
Valentine doesn't want any part of it. Look at Gabe, what a big boy you are.
This is awesome. Christian's in the pool, he's just like... Where's Minnie? Like over here?
She might have moved her. She's a little... I'll find out.
There's chickens. Look at the dogs are actually partying. We're watching them.
Dad, the dogs are getting down.
I know.